Hello, I wanted to show you a fairly new online program that allows you to create some really cool visuals that you could import into your Canvas pages. But you can also probably find neat ways to use this within your classroom elsewhere. It's called Adobe Spark, and it is created by Adobe, and Adobe is most well known for Photoshop. The website is spark.adobe.com, and it is free. So the three different things you can create with Adobe Spark are really cool images. Now they call them social graphics, but essentially they're just a picture that you put text on, and you can upload pictures of your own that you would like. So if you're working on a science project and you want beakers, you could do that, or there's going to be pictures within Adobe Spark that you can use. You can create what are called web stories, but the web stories, as you can see the picture scrolling, is a cool web page that is already kind of figured out for you. So the template exists. You plug in the pictures and the text, and there's really neat transitions and special effects as you scroll, which is really nice. And you can embed those into your Canvas pages if you'd like. The final thing you can do is an animated video, which is basically like your PowerPoint with even more energy. Place pictures, you can record audio. It's a really, really, really neat tool. I'm a fan of all three of these. I've just dabbled a little bit, so I thought I would show you just around a little bit here. You can also know that there are apps for your phone as well. So if you search Adobe Spark for your Android or Apple phone, you will find three separate apps you have to install. And so the one app will be social graphics, the other app will be web stories, and the other app will be animated videos. So if you're on the go, you can also work on some fun projects for your Canvas page on your phone. Now, you could also use this on your team web pages or your team newsletters, and you can also incorporate a lot of these just within your own classroom. So you're going to have a lot of different pictures. So if you have announcements just an image, and you can edit the text and make it work for you. Same thing with a photo journal or a meme if you'd like. And then you're going to see things like photo stories. So if we click on this, let's check out what this thing is. And so you can look at some examples before you dive in to see what this Adobe Spark is really about. And I thought I'd show you a few examples. So we wait for it to load. So in this case, it's a web page. So as you scroll down, you're going to see some really neat transitions. And you're going to see captions for photos. The photos zoom in. There's photos over photos. And this is the template. And so all you have to do is plug in the information you want. What's also nice is you can click on the information and it enlarges it. So what a cool way to incorporate videos and text on something that is already created for you. So that's one example. Another example would just be like a pitch, which is just, I'm assuming this will be a video. Let's check this out. And hopefully it'll play and you can hear it while we play it. All right, here we go.
Hi, my name is Morgan and I am 6 years old. I am a Daisy in troop 62518. My troop is selling cookies to raise money. Each box of cookies sold raises money for local Girl Scouts and helps support many programs.
So notice that even we've got a cool video for Girl Scouts. So what you have to do is to log in. I would log in and then I would create an account. I would link it to your Google account for school. So that's what I've done. So go to Google, click on it. And then what you'll do is just connect it to your Google account. If you're not signed in already like I am, or if you're not signed in already, you'll have to log in your information. I'm already signed in, so it's just a matter of it connecting. And I can work on projects. Now, I'm just going to talk briefly about this menu. Click the plus sign, and you will then choose what you want to make. A post, which is your picture. A page, which is like a little web page that you can scroll through. Or a video, which is like I said earlier, PowerPoint with energy, with recordings and pictures and text. And once you click that, you can look at templates and everything to create. You also have lines over here that will allow you to do the same thing. Check out the blog and the inspiration gallery to see some additional things. And like I said, there's mobile apps available. So if you click on that, you'll see that you can get it for your Apple Store. And right now it looks like you can't get it on your Android phone currently. So luckily, a lot of people are Apple. So if you want to download those pages, you can. And if you're like me with an Android phone, you're stuck with using a computer. So check out Adobe Spark. I'll create some videos about how to do the specific things. But for now, here's your fun overview. Enjoy!